It's so fun to make your own homemade desserts, and you know, there's some of my favorite chefs right here in my own quarantine family. This is my nephew Dirks. Are you ready to make our own Pop-Tarts?
Yeah.
Yeah. We call these Nana Tarts because this is what Nana makes, right? Okay. And we like to bake with Nana, but we're stealing her recipe. Isn't that fun?
Yeah.
This is cherry and this one's lime. Let's give the lime a try. See what you think. You like that one? It's very tart. All right, let's try the cherry side. You want to try the cherry side? What is that? Pretty good?
Yeah.
All right, we like that one too. So we're gonna make a cherry one and a lime one and another cherry one. Is that okay? All right, you're gonna put a big blob of your cherries right in the middle. I'll put the lime in this one. Use a spoon. Got it?
This one?
Yep, put it right in there. Just smack it right down on there. Good job. Let's get a big blob, like that. That looks good, doesn't it? We'll put half of it over here. Usually we use Nana's pie crust and everything, right? But this time, we kind of cheated, didn't we? Oh no, don't tell anyone, okay?
Okay.
Okay, and let's sprinkle it a little bit with some cinnamon sugar, because that's always fun. All right, now get your fork ready. We're going to fold it over like that. Now you just press your fork all along the edges, okay? Yep. Keep going. Press your fork on around like this. Like that. Push it right down. Good. Yep, squish it right down in there. Like that. Got it? That's kind of closing the envelope. We're gonna do this cherry side too. Closing the envelope. All right, let's sprinkle it with a little bit of butter and then put it in the oven, okay?
Okay.
Okay, and here we go. Ta-da. Ooh, these are good, aren't they? We made our own dessert. So here, you gonna try the cherry?
Yep.
Yeah? Okay, I'll try the lime. They're really hot. We need to let them cool down a little bit. Give it a shot. Try it, ready? Ooh, that's pretty good, isn't it? Little cinnamon and sugar on top. Little pie crust and our favorite fillings. That was a great little dessert, right, Dirks?
Yep, that's what's for supper.